Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and unsubscribe from LinkedIn Premium. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're going to do, first of all, go ahead, access the LinkedIn app. Once you have done so, you can go to your home section and you will simply tap on your profile icon that will be given on top left corner. Once you have done so, if you see look below, you can see join thousands of business hiring on LinkedIn with your Create Live, start free trial, aka the premium. If you have already took that premium package, once you have tapped on it, you can find your premium package info. You can go ahead and select the premium features from. You can go ahead select this manage subscription. Under premium account and features, you will be redirected to manage premium account setting page, and then afterwards you can go ahead scroll down, find this option called cancel subscription. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to unsubscribe from the premium subscription that you have been using. So for you to do that, that is the way for you. And another thing I would like to recommend you, simply go ahead cancel your subscription only after you have actually used the service that you have paid for, and then you won't be in the disadvantage whatsoever. So that would be it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.